Welcome to Witty Travels.
This is Key West, Florida.
Now, there isn't really a place called Kokomo, but there is a place that you want to go, and that is Key West, Florida.
Yeah, so we've actually been to Key West, Florida quite often, and so we decided on this trip to go off the beaten path and look for the hidden gems of Key West, Florida. So this video, you're not going to see a lot of the southernmost point or mile marker 0, but we're going to show you the hidden gems of Key West, Florida.
So we're not spending the whole trip just partying on Duval Street, but we're going to explore a lot of really cool places that you might not notice the first time you visit the Florida Keys. I think we're clear.
We're clear. You got somewhere else.
All right.
Oh my lord.
I'm trying to find him. Is he there? I want to get him on video.
I think you got on the roof.
Can I come back here? Do you care?
No, you're more than welcome. No, he's on the roof now.
Okay.
Oh my god.
We see this super cute tank top with mermaid on it. I'm obsessed with mermaids, and so we were like, okay, I've got to go get it. So I walk in, try it on, figure it out. But here's the thing, guys, anywhere you're in a touristy spot, you just have to ask and see if they can, drop the price a little bit. You gotta finagle a little bit. A lot of these places, they're jacked up. So I went ahead and asked. Again, no harm, no foul. If they say no, no big deal. Just keep going. So I went ahead and just asked, hey, can you drop the price? Is there anything you could do? Is there a sale on this at all? And so she ended up saying, okay, I can take 10% off. Hey, that's great, right? A little bit, no big deal. So I ended up getting this shirt. It was $29.99, and so I got it with 10% off, which basically means no tax. But hey, it works. Not gonna take that. Oh gosh. That's so cool.
When you're in Key West, make sure to check out your receipts. Now, you're not going to get an announcement about it. The waitress or the waiter's not going to tell you about it, but just take a look. So we were at a completely different restaurant, nowhere close, and we got a free flight when you buy another one for this awesome Waterfront Brewery. So make sure to check out your receipt because you have no idea what kind of coupons or savings you're going to get based off somewhere else that you eat. So pay attention to the receipt because it might really save you some money. Now, of course, we don't know how it's going to be, but we're gonna go check it out and we'll let you know how it is. So we had this awesome fish dip for about $12. Had mackerel, amberjack, a couple of different things in it. And as you see, we got this awesome beer flight for free. So totally check it out because look at this awesome flight, all for free.
Taste it.
When looking for a public beach with free parking, check out Higgs Beach, known for its pier and 16.5 acres of Atlantic Ocean waterfront. While there, you can also learn a bit more about history at the African Slavery Memorial. President Buchanan in 1859 ordered a blockaded Cuba with Navy steamers to intercept any American-owned slave ships. Key West was never a slave port, but in 1860, 3 slave ships headed for Cuba were intercepted by the U.S. Navy. 1,432 slaves who survived the transoceanic voyage were brought to Key West where they were cared for by local doctors with supplies purchased by the U.S. Marshal and local residents. This memorial is the known resting place for 9 Africans, and 294 others are believed to be entombed along Higgs Beach on Key West shore. Over 1,000 slaves were sent back to Africa, but to Liberia, West Africa, a country founded by former African slaves, where the U.S. government supported them for a time. So the survivors were sent back to their native land, Africa, but not to their original homes on the continent.
Hope you enjoy.
Check it out.